Ang lesson na ito ay tungkol sa paggamit ng salitang kailangan in English. Ang kailangan ay may tatlong English equivalent: need, must, and have to. Ang mga salitang ito ay ginagamit para i-express ang obligation, requirement, or necessity. They are very close in meaning but there's a slight difference that you must know. Ang need ay para sa kahit anong bagay na kailangan or action na dapat gawin. Ang must naman ay generally used for strong personal obligations, kaya mas seryoso ang gamit ng must. Samantala ang have to ay para sa responsibilities at work and in everyday life. For example, I must do this right now. I must do this right now. Kailangan ko tong gawin ngayon. I need your advice. I need your advice. Kahulugan? Kailangan ko ang payo mo. Next, this is what I need. This is what I need. Ito ang kailangan ko. What do you need? What do you need? Anong kailangan mo? How much water do you need? How much water do you need? Gaano karaming tubig ang kailangan mo? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? May kailangan ka ba? I need a job. I need a job. Kailangan ko ng trabaho. Do you need help? Do you need help? Kailangan mo ba ng tulong? I need someone to talk to. I need someone to talk to. Kailangan ko ng kausap. Ronald needs some paper. Ronald needs some paper. Kailangan ni Ronald ng papel. I need to buy a new comb. I need to buy a new comb. Kailangan kong bumili ng bagong suklay. You need to see a doctor. You need to see a doctor. Kailangan mong magpatingin sa doktor. I don't need it, or I don't need that. I don't need it. I don't need that. Meaning, hindi ko kailangan yan. You need to come home early. You need to come home early. Kailangan mong umuwi ng maaga. You must restart your computer. You must restart your computer. Kailangan mong i-restart yung computer mo. I must get a haircut before my meeting tomorrow. I must get a haircut before my meeting tomorrow. Kailangan kong magpagupit bago ang meeting ko bukas. You must follow the rules. You must follow the rules. Kailangan mong sumunod sa mga patakaran. You need to water the plants every day. You need to water the plants every day. Kailangan mong diligan ang halaman araw-araw. One must eat to live. One must eat to live. Kailangan kumain para mabuhay. I just need a couple of minutes to get ready. I just need a couple of minutes to get ready. Kailangan ko lang ng 2 minuto para maghanda. Or, kailangan ko lang ng ilang minuto para maghanda. We badly need a vacation. We badly need a vacation. Kailangan talaga natin ng bakasyon. We need to hurry or we'll miss the bus. We need to hurry or we'll miss the bus. Kailangan nating magmadali kundi maiiwan tayo ng bus. Do you need this knife? Do you need this knife? Kailangan mo ba ang kutsilyong to? I need to talk to Mr. Cavill ASAP. Or, I need to talk to Mr. Cavill as soon as possible. Kahulugan? Kailangan kong makausap si Mr. Cavill sa lalong madaling panahon. We need to find a massage therapist. We need to find a massage therapist. Kailangan nating humanap ng masahista. All you need to do is ask. All you need to do is ask. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay humingi, or ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay magtanong. The stove is broken. You need to have it repaired. The stove is broken. You need to have it repaired. Sira ang kalan. Kailangan mong ipaayos. Your tire needs air. Your tire needs air. Kailangan ng hangin ng gulong mo. We need more staff. We need more staff. Kailangan natin ng dagdag na empleyado. We must book a hotel for our trip next week. We must book a hotel for our trip next week. Kailangan nating mag-book ng hotel para sa biyahe natin sa susunod na linggo. You must stop when the traffic light is red. You must stop when the traffic light is red. Kailangan mong huminto kapag pula ang traffic light. We must listen to all of the instructions. We must listen to all of the instructions. Kailangan nating makinig sa lahat ng mga tagubilin. I need to know when he's coming back from vacation. I need to know when he's coming back from vacation. Kailangan kong malaman kung kailan siya babalik galing sa bakasyon. I must study more. I must study more. Kailangan kong mag-aral pa ng gusto. You must wear a helmet when you ride a bike. You must wear a helmet when you ride a bike. Kailangan mong magsuot ng helmet kapag magbibisikleta ka. In France, you have to drive on the right. In France, you have to drive on the right. Sa France, kailangan mong magmaneho sa kanan. He has to wear a tie at work. He has to wear a tie at work. Kailangan niyang magsuot ng korbata sa trabaho. You have to pay your rent at the end of the month. You have to pay your rent at the end of the month. Kailangan mong magbayad ng upa sa katapusan ng buwan. You have to brush your teeth 3 times a day. You have to brush your teeth 3 times a day. Kailangan mong magsipilyo ng ngipin 3 beses sa isang araw.